Hey guys, let's see how to make the fruit custard today. So I have taken a couple of fruits and some dry fruits here. You can take any fruits and nuts of your choice. Well, I have taken some almonds that is soaked and I have peeled off the skin and I have cut into small pieces. And then I have taken some grapes, even you can take the green one. And the next is banana. I had the one which is overripe, but I would suggest you to take a fresh one. And then I have apples, some pomegranates and cashews. Well, you would need some milk as well. I have taken about 400 ml of milk. And then finally you need the custard powder of any brand that you like. So let's get started. First step is to keep the custard ready. I'm taking 2 spoons of custard powder here. But if you have more people, then you can increase the quantity. I have already boiled the milk, so I'm directly using it to make the paste. We need to do this to reduce any amount of lumps that we're gonna get later while we're gonna pour the powder into or the paste into the milk. I felt the quantity is really less, so I went ahead and put 1 more spoon of custard powder. Okay, this is ready now. Okay, so now let's heat the milk in a kadai or something. If you're using the custard powder that doesn't have sugar already in it, then this is the stage you need to add the sugar. You see the milk has become super hot. Let's pour in our custard paste now. While you're pouring the paste, just make sure that you're simultaneously stirring the milk, otherwise it will leave the lumps, just like how I'm doing here. Keep stirring until it becomes thoda thick. Okay, so this is the consistency we are looking for. Now let's turn off the gas. Let it cool down for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, it has become cold now and we're all set to add our fruits and nuts. Let me transfer it to a bowl. Adding everything that I showed you earlier except banana. Reason is, by the time I finish this entire process, it has become super ripe and I really don't want to spoil by adding that. But I would suggest you to go ahead and add it as you will be using the fresh one. Give it a good mix. I added some watermelon seeds to get that crunchy texture. Well, that's it. You can keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then serve it. Bye.